I'm tripping, I ain't even got the light on. What's going on YouTube? This your girl Chrissy back with another video. Today I'm going to be washing and retwisting my hair for the first time in a couple of years. I just moved to Texas about a year and a half ago. It's approaching 2 years, which I cannot believe. So yeah, it's been almost 2 years and I have not found anybody my hair the way that I like. You know what? I take that back. I did find somebody. She was very good, or is very good. But what happened was, shawty went up on the prices, and it's to the point where I'm like, it doesn't matter how much I make. It's a point where it's just a rip off. Okay, so. With that being said, I was paying, when I first ran into this particular person, it was in a barber shop, and I was paying $85 or $90 for a retwist and 2-strand twist. I get the same thing every time. Then boom, she got her own shop. Congratulations. Hey, you know, turn up, okay? I knew at that point that prices were gonna go up, which they did. Then I was paying like $125 for the wash retwist with the 2-strand twist or whatever. Okay. Then boom. Next thing you know, I'm booking and it say $155 for the retwist, 2-strand twist. Okay. Plus an additional whatever have you nots for shoulder length hair, back length hair, and longer, right? So I'm like, nah, that's almost $200 to get a wash and a retwist with 2-strand twist. I have never in my life paid that much to get my hair done. That's like prices that people pay to get weave put in, you feel me? Like, I'm not paying that for no natural hair. That's outrageous. But anyway, I started to go around Houston trying to find somebody to do my hair. And I ran into some characters. I'm not gonna be dropping no names or nothing like that. But I did use Booksy for the most part when it came to my decision making on picking somebody to do my hair. Along the past few months, it's been at least like 5 or 6 people that I have went to. It was one, she did an alright job, but shawty was musky.
I ain't gonna lie, you too old to be musty, real talk.
She was stank, okay? Super stank. And it was hard for me sitting in the chair. I literally almost passed out that day. Then I went to a chick. I was very patient. You know, I like to support Black business. So all of my stylists are African American. And she was just way too on the unprofessional side. I understand certain things happen, but she was just way too unprofessional for me. My appointment was at a given time. I think it was 3 or 4 o'clock. My appointment ended up getting pushed back to like 8 p.m. and I didn't get out of there until like almost midnight. It was outrageous. And I'm like, good thing I had to go back to work. With that being said, I've had very bad experiences and I just want to go back to my stylist in Atlanta. Like, those of you that do know me, notice where I come from. No, I wasn't born there, but I lived there for 11 and a half years. So those are my people that do I identify with. Hey. if you looking at this video and you know somebody in Texas that know how to do locks, tell me give me in the comments, okay? I did go and pick up a few items from the beauty supply store. I had no reason to carry these before, so this is just what I'm going to be trying. Alright, so the first thing that I got was this wrapping foam. I know my stylist in Atlanta, she uses this on my hair and it doesn't cause no buildup on my hair. So I'm going to be using that. Well, I had to buy some more shampoo. I always use this shampoo. It's the Tingling Jamaican Mango and Lime shampoo. It's something that I always use. I just needed some more. I purchased the Murray's Lock Gel. This is something that I pretty much just Googled. I didn't want anything that would cause any flaking or nothing on my hair. So I'm going to be trying this, and I did like how it smelled. Yeah, it's cool. I got me some little beads for my hair. Some rubber bands. I bought a little rat tooth comb because I didn't have one. And I bought one of these little, what is this thing called? Little edge rubber. I bought one of those. As far as oiling my hair, I'm going to be using this oil. This is a mixture that my loctician in Atlanta puts on my hair, and I absolutely love it. So she actually sends that stuff to me, and I'm grateful. If you're watching, I'm grateful. Thank you. I'm gonna wash my hair here in the sink because I like this spout. You know, somebody had something to say about me washing my hair in the sink. Don't be acting brand new. Don't come up in here on my channel be acting brand new like you ain't never seen, heard, or done this washing hair in the sink. Okay, washing baby bottles in the sink, all kind of stuff you wash in the sink. As long as you clean the sink afterwards, we good. Okay, so we're not gonna be acting brand new over here. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair, and then I'm going to go to the bathroom in the mirror and start retwisting it up. So one thing that I obsess over is my little curls at the end of my hair. I love it. Now that my hair is all clean, I'm about to go to the bathroom and start retwisting. So let's go. I just realized that I don't have no blow dryer. So I need to go to the store before they close because it's getting late. It's like 7:30 right now. I didn't put on my seatbelt. But yeah, it's like 7:30 right now, and 1000% actuality, factuality that my hair is not going to be dry. And I have to be to work at 7 o'clock in the morning. So I'm going to go to the store real quick and it's not focusing, y'all. Wait. There we go. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the store real quick and look for one of them overhead dryers, and I'll see y'all when I get back home. All right, y'all, I just got back to the house. I did not find the dryer that I was looking for, so I ended up just getting this. And I ain't gonna lie, after I dry my hair tonight, I'm gonna take it back to the store. But I do need to get one of those hoodie dryers. Unfortunately, I just waited too long today to go and get that, or to realize that I needed it in the first place. I'm just gonna have to go to the hair store another day and pick one of those. Okay, my hair is still a little bit damp, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started on
when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Alright guys, I finished my hair super duper late, like at 12 a.m. I forgot to record outro to the video, so I'm just gonna be doing a voiceover. But my hair turned out wonderful. I was very pleased with my results. I just slept in front of the blow dryer and let my hair dry like that overnight. It wasn't a good sleep, but my curls was popping. I will be investing in one of those hoodie dryers in the future if I continue to do my hair. But that's gonna be all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. Make sure you hit that like button if you did enjoy this video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and make sure you guys hit that notification bell. Thank you again. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.